Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I think Chainlink is looking extremely undervalued still, and we're going to look at some key technical analysis as to where I think this coin can go. Can it also reach $10 in April? Well, that depends on a few things, which you will find out in this video. If you're new here, do consider subscribing. So let's check it out. Chainlink currently $7.35, and it's been on a good move over the last week. We've seen lows of $6.40 up to $7.35. And what's interesting, Chainlink are also starting to tap into artificial intelligence. So what happens when you connect AI to smart contracts? Well, Chainlink functions is a new thing where we're going to see AI and Web3 together for the Chainlink developers. So this is quite interesting to see what sort of traction they can pick up from this particular partnership and integration here. So I'm quite keen, and we can see Chainlink now have 924k followers, which is a significant amount. Interestingly, I was just doing some research, and we can see Bitcoin is now also at the very top in terms of year-to-date performance from Goldman Sachs, completely destroying Nasdaq and the IT sector over here right at the top, which is of course very good for Bitcoin and the overall sector. So yeah guys, let's have a little look at some Chainlink analysis. I know this coin is very much an interesting one, and if you were in the Discord you would have noticed that this was a great DCA coin which we put in here from many weeks ago when it was only like $3 or $4. So please do also get yourself into that Discord, linked down below for you. So having a look at what we've got here, I like to look at things kind of on a long-term scale. Sometimes we can see this is of course the uptrend where we're in a bull market season, and at the moment, you know, we're still in this consolidation phase before that particular area, and I think that will kick off when Chainlink gets back to $54. And I do also believe Chainlink will actually get above $54 in the bull run. I really do. I think we're looking at the macro targets of between $84 and $133 by the next crypto bull run in the peak of the alt season. I think that is very much realistic, and I think it's going to take a while for us to get there, but we can see Chainlink is still trading in this consolidation sideways channel right here, just chilling at $7.30. So if we do hit the top resistance trend line, it will be around $8.90. If we break through to this resistance here, we'll be potentially looking at $10 Chainlink coin. Now if we were to move into a normal chart, and we weren't looking into the logarithmic regression, we move into the 3-hour or the 4-hour chart, we can see that there is quite a lot of upside and momentum here for Chainlink, but it is producing a little bit of a rising wedge, as is Bitcoin as well on the weekly time frame. Rising wedge with a bearish divergence, but at the moment it doesn't really look too bad. I just think the markets are very hot right now. We're looking quite greedy, and we do need to see this particular coin cool off as well. So there's every chance that we could still get a correction down to $6.90 if Bitcoin cannot hold its current price level. We can see Bitcoin is currently trying to break through a macro resistance of 28.8k and 29.3k, and we can see the charts here reflect that whilst we're in the green logarithmic regression, which is fine for DCA, we are sitting at the very top of a broadening channel. And when we look at the Bitcoin on a technical analysis perspective, which we also just posted in the Discord down here, I'll very quickly show you, we can see that we also do have a massive broadening wedge with a bearish divergence on the RSI. So there could be a pullback very soon if we do not see a pump for Bitcoin. So yes, very interesting play here for a lot of cryptos. So I think Chainlink $10 is very possible in April. It could absolutely happen. Looking at the daily though, there is still a very apparent rising wedge, which is typically a bearish reversal pattern. So this could just be a bit of a bull trap. We really need to wait for some key confirmations of breakout. But I think long term, if you're accumulating Chainlink and coins like this, I think we're looking pretty strong for a lot of upside potential in the future. Now you're probably wanting to know, how do you access signals and things like that, because I'll be honest guys, we've got some fantastic results from a lot of people that are trading in my Discord, which is linked down below for you. Do have a little look. You can see this is just some of the results, and people are making some amazing gains. We've got a great analyst in here. We've got myself as well guiding some people through, and I think it just speaks for itself. Yes, there are some losses, but most are in green, which is absolutely perfect. So if you do want to get exposed to these signals, of course, I do have a Patreon link down below for you. There's over 180 amazing patrons. Thank you so much, everybody. It really helps, and most of this money goes back into the channel in terms of editing, resources, research, and everything else. And I want to make this channel better and better and better, and constantly build more. I will soon invest in more equipment, and a studio. So if you want to check that out, you're going to get inside info to pre-sales and much more as well. Speaking of, we've got the Love Hate Emu pre-sale, which is linked just down below for you. If you like coins with volatility and high potential to do some great things, check out the Love Hate Emu presale, which I've linked down below for you. This is a vote to earn cryptocurrency. You can buy it with ERC20 or BEP20 network, and yeah, $1.2 million raised in just over a week. That's absolutely amazing. How does it work? You stake your tokens, you vote in trending polls, you earn free crypto. So it's all about voting to earn, immutability, and I suppose creating veracity over matters, societal matters, which really means something to you. So if you like the sound of that meme coin, the link is down below for you. Remember guys, it's not financial advice, you should always do your own research, but this is a very fun and hot meme coin right now, which is gaining a lot of traction. If you're new to the crypto markets and you need these sort of updates, please remember to hit that notification bell and subscribe to this channel. We can see the fear and greed index is now sitting at a very hot 66, so there's every chance that we could see a bit of a bearish reversal in the markets. Thanks so much for checking out this video guys. I hope it served you well and gave you some insights as to what is going on in the crypto markets at the moment, and hopefully we can all chat in the Discord, so do click on that link down below. See you there guys, bye for now.